Hi, I'm Asha and I'm the Marketing and Bookings Coordinator for this project. So the Tooling Up project is run by Radio Platform for the Wize Men Centre. It's just a project that gets other youths involved in events management to maybe a standard that they might not have been able to achieve just by themselves.
I'm Ben. Yeah, I've been a general assistant really, focusing mainly on stage management and logistics.
So I'm Jess and I'm doing the tech side of Breakin the Bay, Breakin the Rules.
We're having it in Club Viva Bar and we're taking over 2 different floors. So on the first floor we'll have the sort of slightly more acoustic, more chilled out acts. And then when you go upstairs we've got the 4 Owls and the 3 Wize Men and sort of an even stronger vibe going on upstairs.
I'm hoping to shadow some sound techs on the night, but also just kind of help set up and learn hands-on how to do it and things like that.
I've learned that it takes possibly months to organise something that might only be 3 hours long.
Seeing the process from start to finish and learning about each different aspect, from brainstorming different ideas about artists to discussing venue, prices. I think it's been a really holistic experience really.
15th of June, Club Viva back, Festival of Voice, Breakin the Rules will be coming through. We've got Asha Jane music, we've got Wonky Tree, we've got 3 Wize Men, we've got 4 Owls come through. It's all vibes and energy, vibes and energy.